Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the basics are current. Update your wheel firmware and drivers to the latest release. Once done, close Forza Horizon 5 and run your wheel's control app as administrator, because permission issues often block settings. Then, set a clean default profile at the recommended rotation, 900 degrees or what the manufacturer suggests, and enable force feedback there. This prevents conflicts with older profiles. Finally, unplug other controllers to avoid input clashes before launching the game. Now you'll tune Forza's in-game force feedback settings step by step. Go to Settings, Controls, Advanced, and confirm the input is recognized as a wheel. Choose the wheel FFB type if available. Adjust overall FFB strength into the 40 to 60% range to preserve detail without clipping. Reduce damper or controller effects to the 10 to 30% band so road feel stays distinct. Make sure vibration motors and driving assists that override steering are disabled. Test with a few laps. Finish by validating on a test track and saving the profile once steering feels responsive and not choppy. If you notice clipping or harsh dead zones, lower the FFB strength slightly or enable any linear input or raw data option in the wheel application to reduce processing. If force feedback is absent, reinstall wheel drivers, try a different USB port, and reload the wheel profile. Those fixes resolve most recognition problems. If issues persist, record the symptoms and contact support with firmware and driver versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.